Welcome back everyone to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Now if you're brand new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. I'm a full-time investor, and if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. Now if you want to learn how to turn the stock markets, crypto markets into a money printing machine for you so that you can achieve financial freedom, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. And as always, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Alright, so yesterday I kind of went on a little bit of a different video, a little bit of a rant there, just talking about how much I want to reach out and help people. You know, if I could say, hey, everyone in the world do this and this is what you would get, and they would listen, it's what I would do. But unfortunately that's not the way it works. But I do want to see you succeed. And there's a couple other things I didn't get to put in my video yesterday that I just kind of want to continue to talk about. Now just to touch base on the actual market today, we got the S&P up. I was looking at it maybe 5 minutes ago. We had just barely in the green. We had the TQQQ was up about 0.75%. SQQQ down a little bit. We'll kind of see where the day goes. You know, yesterday didn't give us a lot in either direction. But I still think these markets are preparing for a reversal. That doesn't mean we couldn't get a little bit more of a run first, but I do think we're preparing for that reversal, which is why, you know, I'm loading up on that SQQQ every time I see that pullback, just like I said I was going to do on those call options. If you don't want the decay, you don't want to be trading options, you know, the stock itself, picking up the stock on red days is going to be a good way to be able to be holding that. That way we run up $25, $30, you're going to make a great return on your money. Going back into what we was talking about yesterday, we were just talking about, you know, really getting that investor's mindset and starting to really understand money. And I got a little fact for you that I thought was really nifty, that a lot of people may have never thought about. 1933, go in a time machine here. 1933, the height of the Great Depression. It's supposed to be the worst time in American history. The average person had to take a pay cut of up to half what they were making previous to the Depression. That pay cut brought them down to an average salary of $4,200 a year. Could you imagine only making $4,200 a year? However, things was priced a whole lot differently back then. That sounds awful, but in comparison, you would have to make $98,500 in today's money to be able to live as good as that person in the Great Depression did at $4,200. I mean, that is crazy to think about to me. So even though we think of that Great Depression at $4,200 as being the most awful time in American history, are you making $98,500 now? And if you want to check the math on that, you know, ask Siri, Google it. You know, there's an inflation calculator. You can put in any year, any number, and get to see that. And it's a really nifty kind of tool to play around with. But if you're making less than $100,000, you're doing worse than what someone during the Great Depression that actually had a job was doing. And so this is what I want you to realize. Once you start understanding money, how money works, where money comes from, then you can start to make wealth for yourself. And that's what I want for you. That's what I got for you today. Till next time, be blessed. Remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.